Damn, I'm stuck at the train in Cresson.